how to get the best flight prices. Step 1. Understand how each platform actually prices flights. Wakanow states you are getting the most competitive fare with no hidden fees and that booking travels through travel agency often gets you discounted fares airlines which doesn't offer directly. While on booking, flight prices come from service providers and third-party aggregators, meaning booking.com doesn't set the fare itself, it aggregates and displays what is personal quotes. Step 2. Use each platform price tracking tools. On Wakanow, turn on Smart Price Watch. It notifies you of price changes on your route for 7 days. While on booking.com, you can sort results by cheapest instead of the default best ranking, which by default also factors in travel time stops and baggage allowance, not just price. Step 3. Know what protections applied to your booking. Wakana cancellation policy requires you to request changes at least 72 hours before departure, with fare rules depending on the airline. Booking.com own price match guaranteed, confirmed by the Net Wallet Independent Review, explicitly does not cover flights at all. It only applies to hotel accommodation. So, if you are specifically comparing flight protection, Wakana structure actually gives you more flexibility option than Booking.com's offers on the flight side. Step 4. Consider payment flexibility. Wakana pays small lets you lock a fare with as little as 25% down and spread the rest in instrumentals. A genuine point of difference for Nigeria traveler managing cash flow. Step 5. Weigh real customer experience, not just price. Wakana's own Trustpilot page shows a mix of strong 5-star reviews and some serious complaints. It can be either delayed refunds, unexpected fee increases, unpaid small, and slow customer service response in some cases.